One of the reasons why we need a login system in our application is because of the comment section that we are going to create, right? The comment feature. We only want users that are registered to application to be able to comment. I think this is going to be a really good lecture, really good section for you. So we want to be able to have the ability to register users. And we don't have that yet. So this is the first thing that we need to create. We need to create some type of model that takes the first name, the last name, and the email. We're going to be using the email instead of the username for authentication. Okay, as you can see right here. So let's go ahead and create a model. And we, of course, have some type of validation that we have to do here to make sure that these fields match. But that is the least of our problems or of our things that we have to create, right? So we have this route right here, okay? And this is the register route. But let's go to our model here and let's go ahead and create a new one. I want to create a new user model, okay? I'm going to copy this from category, which is the simplest one. Okay, so that would be the first step. Now we got to think about the fields that we need, right? We have all those fields in the form, so you're welcome to look at it. I already know them, so I'm just going to start with, and let me just copy this guy right here and just modify it. Okay. I don't know if I'm going to need all that, but I'm going to copy. So I'm going to write the first name here. I'm doing the first lowercase word and then the second case. I'm using camel case format. And I'm just going to do last name here. Then I'm going to do email. And I want to do passport, not passport, password. Okay. That's all we want for now. Okay. Maybe later on we'll include some more fields here, maybe to have some type of profile or something like that. Okay. So now out of the box, we are doing required, meaning that we are doing a database validation. Okay. We don't want these fields empty at all. They need to be filled up. We are also going to be doing validation in the registration page, so that way we don't have to worry about this as much. So let's go to our views, and that will be register. So make sure that you have your required. I don't know if I have them here. First name is going to be required. Last name required. Of course, that's going to force us in development to make sure that these fields are also filled in, which is annoying sometimes, right? Okay, so that's about it. That's refresh. We can see that I guess the validation starts. Great. So we got our model, our user model here. Let's make sure that all the fields are changed. This is going to be in a database called users, or I mean a table. And of course, we got to change that on top as well. It's got to be user model here, user schema, I'm sorry, in user schema. Okay, so we created a model and we required some of those inputs in the registration page. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next lecture.